Here I have VIVO V20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then to the date and time. So if you want to set up your date and time manually, firstly you have to disable this feature, use network provided time. Here you can change your date, here you can change your time. You can also change your time zone if you disable this feature, network provided time zone. Here you can firstly have to pick your region and then you can select your time zone. And you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.